my boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm happy to present Jenny for you, Less Than a Lover. I like the vibe in this song, very simple to play as well, so that doesn't hurt. Let's go into this tutorial. And before we move on with this tutorial, I need to highlight my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 strings ago. Okay, so if you want to thank me for all the work I'm doing right here, go and subscribe to that channel. It's completely different from this one. I will not talk, I will not say a word, just play for you from A to Z, a full song with chords shown on the screen. So a link up here somewhere, go and click subscribe to that channel. And now let's focus on Jenny. Jenny, first time on this channel, I believe. Keep on second, absolute best scenario for us. We have 3 chords that just runs in the same way through the entire song. So let's go into the A major 7 first. That is open A, second D, first G, second B, and open E. Like the major chords, like velvety rounded chords. Now let's go into the F sharp major 7. That's a bar chord, so you place index finger crossing all strings on the 2nd fret, and then you need to add just the 4th fret on the A string, and that's it. That's the F sharp, and finally we have the E. And it goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Okay, so these 3 chords, they just run in the same way through the entire song. Now we need to learn how to handle them. So grab the first chord, A major 7. And 1 string around goes like this. So you're gonna play down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. Alright, so down, up, clap, up is 1 string around, and it's very simple, guys. A major, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that strumming, then you shift to the F sharp major. Minor 7, sorry. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that as well, and then you're gonna finish off with the E 4 string rounds. So A2, F sharp 2, E4. Let's do it. And just some technical stuff there, from E going over to a new round, A major 7. I love these kind of technical hacks. So keep that 1st fret G string there from the E. You build around that. Very simple to get A major 7. So you don't have to release everything and get all the 3 fingers correctly. You have something to build upon. Alright guys, so that's it. Jenny's Less Than a Lover. So don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. I highly recommend that one. It's a nice way of learning a full song from A to Z. So thank you for your support, guys. Till next time, play tuned.